Hello everyone, welcome to our analysis of 2024 election result. Today we will explore key insights, party performance and vector trends across various constituencies using Power BI. Our objective is to provide a comprehensive overview of election and understand the dynamics between different political analyses. We analyze two datasets, election result which includes details like state, constituency, candidates and vote margin, and party alliances data highlighting party alliances. Here we merge our data. We integrate the dataset to link parties with alliances and ensure data quality by checking for missing values and inconsistency. Fortunately, there were no missing values. Let's begin with the overall result. We found that the Bharatiya Janata Party won the most seats. NDA alliances are the strongest. State-wise, Uttar Pradesh was dominated by Samajwadi Party. In our consistency analysis, we identify key areas with tight race, indicating political battlegrounds for future elections. Comparing party alliances, NDA outperformed others in terms of seat margins, highlighting their strategic strengths. In trade analysis, we observe shifting voter patterns with certain regions showing increased support for merging parties, suggesting changing political dynamics. Dash, our interactive dashboard allows users to explore data by state, party, and alliances, providing a dynamic view of election result and key metrics like total seats and average margin. We hope this analysis provides valuable insights into the 2024 election.